Yeah, so we use four models to help us value Bitcoin, and this one's our most simplistic one. Like you mentioned, we just take the 12-year price history of Bitcoin, we plot it out on a logarithmic scale, and we run a regression line through the center of that. And so this basically just tells us, is Bitcoin overvalued or undervalued versus the trend. But what's kind of interesting is that this model is 90% correlated to the historical price of Bitcoin. So it's a pretty good model to use. And so the model basically says that Bitcoin's fairly valued today, and that it should be worth near 80,000 by the end of the year, and 150 or so next year. And in a few years, it's saying that Bitcoin should be worth about $500,000 per Bitcoin. And so, but the price could be two standard deviations above the model or two standard deviations below that trend line. So it's not really an way to predict if Bitcoin is going to go up from 100,000 to 500,000 in the short term. It's really if you're entering Bitcoin, are you paying a fair price, or is it undervalued or slightly overvalued? And like I said, today it's fairly priced at right around 61,000.
We talked